Hi guys, welcome to Homemade Food. Thank you for stopping by today. Today we are going to cook healthy, aromatic, quick, economical, nutritious and delicious veggie pasta. For detailed recipe, please stay with us. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The ingredients we need are fresh vegetables, carrot, capsicum, potatoes, cabbage, ginger, coriander leaves, chopped green chili and onion, stock cube, salt, black pepper powder, lemon juice, cooking oil. Put 3 to 4 tablespoons cooking oil on heat. Keep the flame high. Stir fry all vegetables for 1 to 2 minutes, one by one. Alpo macaroni. Boil water in a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and half tablespoon of salt. Let it come to boil, then add elbow macaroni and cook it for 7 to 8 minutes. Preheat frying pan and heat up 1 to 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Add stir-fried vegetables, chopped onion, coriander leaves, ginger and stock cube. Fry for 30 seconds. Add black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Add salt, 1/4 teaspoon. Fry for 1 to 2 minutes on high flame. Add pasta and mix well. Fry for 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame. Turn off the flame and add 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Mix well. Healthy, aromatic, quick, economical, nutritious and delicious veggie pasta is ready. Enjoy and share with your family, friends, and people around you. We hope you will give it a try. Stay blessed and give us your feedback. We will see you in our next video. Take a good care of yourself and people around you. Thanks for watching.